Hello friends, welcome to the Village Citizen course. So today we are going to cover our last topic or last subsection of case versus if statement under the topic VHDL sequential statements. So this is the last sub point from this chapter. So let's start. So already we have understood the case statement as well as if statement. So both these statements are the sequential VHDL statements. So they are usually used inside the process as well as the subprograms. So using these statements, we can design a sequential circuit as well as the combinational circuit, and they plays a very important role in any VLSI design as well as any VHDL project. Okay, so I hope you have understood if else statement as well as case statement with their various examples. I have tried to cover so many examples using if else as well as the case. So today we are going to see a brief difference where to use the case statement, where to use the if statement, and that gives a something kind of a better idea to usage of these statements. So let's begin. Since if else infers a priority, see, the if else statement gives a prioritized structure, so it should be used when more than one input conditions are occur. Okay, so whenever there are more conditions, if you want to compare, we can prefer the if statement. On the other hand, in case of case statement is appropriate when the inputs are mutually exclusive. Okay, case is useful in case of multi-branching statements, and if else is more useful for the boolean expressions. So whenever we have multiple branching or different expressions where multiple choices are there, that time case is preferred. Whenever there is a conditional statement, if else is preferred. A case statement is something similar to a switch construct in the C language, which selects a particular branch among many based on the value of expression. So a case statement is like a switch construct in a C which selects a particular branch. When the number of conditions are more, it's a better practice to use the case statement. Case offers a compact way of writing a code which offers simple way of readability as compared to the ladder structure of if else. So case statement gives a better or easier readability as compared to if else statement. Case statements works only for a single event. Please remember, the case statement works only for a single input. For example, if we have taken example of case count is, so this count is the only single condition, but this is not limited to the if else. So that is the one of the biggest difference between, we can say, case and if else. So in if else we can give multiple conditions under a single if else statement. In case statement more efficient, so we can say some statement like, is a case statement more efficient than if else? Is it right or wrong? So as I said, it's not like that. The answer is no. Is case statement more efficient than if else statement in VHDL? No. So it's all about how we are writing a code. So we'll take one of the example. So here I am showing you the same example using if else as well as the case. So let's begin. So process clock begin, clock tick event and clock equal to 1, then count equal to count plus 1. So till now here both the sides, this is if else side, this is a case side. So in case also both the things are same. So here we are detecting this statement means we are detecting the rising edge of the clock on each rising edge when incrementing the count. Here also same, here also same. So end if. So this statement is end if. Now if now internally count is increasing, the count value is goes on increasing. And let us assume count is a 4-bit. If count is equal to 0, then output 1 is equal to 0 0 1 0. If count is 1, this is value. If count is 3, 2, this is the value. If count is so and so, output is this, else this is the output. As well as if you compare the same statement, case count is, when it is 0 0, it is exactly same as the condition we are comparing in if else. When count is 0 0, output is 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Here when count is 1, output is 0 1 1. When count is 1 0, output is 0 1 0 1. When count is 3, output is 0 1 1 0. And when others, that is else part in the if else, it is equivalent to the in case of case statement is when others, output 1 is 0 1 1 in else clause. So if you compare these two VHDL codes, one is written using a if else, other is written using the case statement. So if you implement both in the same synthesis tool, it will give exactly same counter, same get level netlist, or it will execute the same synthesizable hardware. So that's what I said. The case statement is not efficient than the if else. Okay, so but they have their own advantage. We cannot say it's a disadvantage. It's all about the advantages, and it's all about the application where we wanted to use it. So that's what it is created for the alternative purpose. It is not definitely created for their comparison purpose, but they are alternately used, or mostly they are used in mixing structure. So at the top we can use the case statement, and in between whenever we want a condition, better to use the if else statement. So like that, visual coding styles we can use it. So there are ways of writing a VHDL code. It's all upon depends on the VHDL code writer. So this is all about the if else and the case statement comparison. I hope you have understood this concept, and if you want to use it, or if you try to use by yourself, then you can understand in a better way. Now in our next chapter we are going to cover various projects, so there I believe we can understand better use of if statement, better use of the case statement. So